To set up a trusted contact on Robinhood, open the Robinhood app, tap Account, Person icon, go to Settings, Personal Information, scroll down and tap Trusted Contact. Enter your trusted contacts, first and last name, email address, phone number, address. Optional. Tap Save. What is a trusted contact? A trusted contact is someone Robinhood can reach if they suspect fraud on your account or can't contact you directly. This person cannot access your account, trade, or make changes on your behalf. For more details, visit the official Robinhood help page. Robinhood Trusted Contact Help Center. Screenshot ideas for a tutorial video. Frame 1. Robinhood Home Screen. Frame 2. Account, Person icon. Frame 3. Settings menu. Frame 4. Personal Information page. Frame 5. Trusted Contact option. Frame 6. Enter contact details screen. Frame 7. Save confirmation screen. This sequence works well for a step-by-step YouTube tutorial.